to Live Your Style. I'm Sharrah, and today is kind of a sad day because it is the last How to Decorate Your Home for Christmas, depending on your design style, video of the series. But it's also a really exciting day because this happens to be the most requested Christmas design style so far. And before I tell you what it is, I want you guys to stop, pause the video, and go leave me a comment what you think the most requested design style Christmas video was. Yes, it is the GLAM Christmas design style. So exciting. Today, with the help of Bed Bath & Beyond, who is sponsoring this video, I am not only gonna be showing you guys the different elements to be looking for when you go shop for this Christmas design style, but I'm also going to implement it. A lot of you guys were asking that you wish you could see me actually execute one of these styles beyond just what I've done in my home already. So ask and you shall receive. Today I'm going to show you guys how to decorate for the GLAM Christmas style. I went and grabbed a tree out of my garage that I already had. It is a little bit more mid-century vibe. However, I think it'll still look really good for the GLAM style. Everything that you guys see in this video, I'm going to be linking down in the description box below or on the blog, so check that out. And if you guys are looking for a specific type of artificial Christmas tree, Bed Bath & Beyond does have an amazing assortment of all different shapes, sizes, colors of different Christmas trees, and I highly recommend you guys check that out if you are looking to invest in one because they're great. But without further ado, why don't we jump into how to decorate for the Christmas GLAM style. Notice I'm wearing pink. That was intentional. Let's get started. The first element that you should be looking for if you want to decorate a GLAM Christmas is glitter. Glitter is like the meat and potatoes for this style. You really want to embrace kind of I know it's messy, okay? I know some people don't like glitter, but for Christmas time, it's like you just deal with it and it's everywhere and it's happy and joyful, and then you just vacuum like crazy at the end and all is well. You want to try to find glitter in the form of picks. You can look for things that are like actual branches that have glitter on them, or like natural elements like pine cones, but everything's kind of glitterized. There's a new word for you. And then also trying to find things that are very, not only just glittery, but just like shiny. You want things that are gonna glisten. So sometimes that's gonna be like rhinestones or a lot of high shine materials. A lot of those elements are very just glitzy and glam. Like for example, this really adorable little nutcracker. He's got his faux fur, but he also has his rhinestone hat, and look at this cute little rhinestone collar and his shoulder pads. He even has rhinestone socks. He's very chic, you know? But I love these little trees that I found at Bed Bath & Beyond as well. They're the perfect element of like white, snowy vibes, but then also very glitzy and glammy, which I think is great. And then also these really beautiful candle holders. I thought these were really sweet and very sparkly. And then of course these really pretty reindeer that I happen to really love, but they're very traditional wintry figurines in like just animal shapes, but they are very, very glittery, and I got one in gold and one in silver. I loved the items that they did have in store for the GLAM style, but what I love is Bed Bath & Beyond really does have a very wide assortment of different styles. They had traditional, they had some farmhouse, they had a lot of glam, and online they have even more stuff. So if you guys are interested in any of the things that I have shown you in this video, or specifically this section with the little nutcracker guy that happens to actually crack nuts, for those of you that didn't know that, Elena. You can find the link below and shop it on Bed Bath & Beyond's website, or go into a store. And look at this Swarovski crystal detail on this ornament, you guys. Oh, it's so beautiful, and this is the kind of glitz and glam and shimmer that I'm talking about that you can put on your trees and make them look so beautiful. I found these really cute snowflakes in gold, white, and silver, and I put them all around the tree. And I think they kind of give a really good like wintry detail, and they kind of make it feel really shimmery. And then obviously I put a little touch of glitter in the different ornaments that I have with the silver, gold, and a lot of glitter included. Now, one other thing I really want to show you that's like the coolest part of this tree. Are you ready? It involves this and some ornaments. And the ornaments light up. They're mercury glass ornaments, and they have light bulbs in them, and they're battery operated, and they come with a little remote control. I'll link those below because I thought those were really cool and really unique, and I'd never seen that before. Number 2, use gold, brass, or even silver color palettes, accents, wherever you can find it. So the way to implement this step would be finding different ornaments that are maybe gold or silver, and then also keeping an eye out for different types of string lights, like twinkle lights that are the skinny thin ones. Those often have a copper wire. You can find ones with gold wire or even silver wire, but that's a really great small detail that really adds like a really classy, fun touch. And then also just finding different figurines, like the reindeer. I got a silver and I got a gold, and kind of mix that in with my color palette. It's just, you really want the glitz, and gold and silver happen to be very glitzy and very glam. Aww. It just helps create some fun in the space and just makes it feel extra festive. Okay, quick question for you guys. I wanna know, are you a gold gal? Are you a silver gal? Are you a brass gal? What kind of metals do you usually gravitate towards? Like, I happen to love gold, like wearing gold, and I also like brass to like put in my house. But Elena really likes silver, so I'm curious to know, what do you guys like? Leave it in the comments below. Number 3, use pops of pink. Okay, so if you wanna go for the girlier glam vibe, you don't have to use pink if you are doing the glam thing, but it definitely does fit in the category if you want to include some pink on your tree. Now you could do a brighter pink like I did, you could do a lighter shade of pink, but anywhere from the gold to the taupe to the pink to the white scale is definitely glam, especially if there is some shine and some glitter involved. Number 4 is flocked greens. Okay, so you guys could do a real tree, you could do an artificial tree. I told you they had great trees on Bed Bath & Beyond. But I highly recommend trying to find a flocked either garland or flocked wreath or flocked tree. I didn't have a flocked tree and I couldn't get one in time, but I did get this really beautiful flocked green garland that I put over the window here, and I got it at Bed Bath & Beyond, and I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. The lights that are inside the garland are actually frosted themselves, so it makes it look very realistic and wintry, and I just think it really adds a great element of like cozy, cold, kind of like bringing the snow inside. And when you don't live in an area where there is actual snow outside, you kind of have to pretend and do that by bringing it inside. But I think that the frosted garlands look really great when you put those gold and silver and pink ornaments and decorative things around it, because it really helps it pop. Whereas if it's just on the green, sometimes it gets a little bit lost. But putting it up against the white, I think just really gives it that oomph and makes it look so glammy or glamorous and beautiful. Number 5, it's all about that faux fur. Boots with the fur, with the fur. Remember that song? Yeah, there's nothing to do with glam except for the fact that I have a faux fur tree skirt and it's fabulous. And yes, I put tissue paper under it to make it look nice and voluptuous. But faux fur is a really big element of the glam style, and if you guys like decorating for glam for Christmas time, I would assume and hope that maybe you like glam everyday style in your home. So maybe you already have like a shag or faux fur rug or throw blankets. So if you already have those, you can also include the faux fur look with different ornaments. They actually have faux fur ornaments. And getting things like a faux fur stocking or a faux fur rug. And just really adding, it just adds the coziness. You want the sparkle and you want the cozy, and it gives you that wintry vibe, and it just is very beautiful. I can't decorate like this when Tyler is around because, well, I don't think he'd go for it, but before I got married, this was like totally my style for Christmas, so I feel ya. All y'all glam ladies out there, and boys, glam people. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. That's all I have for you today. Scout really enjoyed the glam style a lot, and I hope you guys did too, and I hope that it helps you guys kind of figure out how to decorate for your design style by Scout, and that you guys just feel inspired. Leave me a comment below. I'm gonna be planning some new content for the new year, so I wanna know what you guys think. Thank you so much to Bed Bath & Beyond for sponsoring today's video, and don't forget, if you guys wanna find any of the products that I talked about in this video, go ahead and click some of those links down below. I will link them for you and you can check it out. Bed Bath & Beyond has amazing stuff for the holidays, for entertaining and decorating and all that stuff, so highly recommend go and check them out. Okay, you guys, the last question I have for you, if you guys could see any series on this channel next year, in January, February, whatever, what kind of like design series or just types of videos do you guys want to see? What do you need help with? What are you interested in? I wanna know, because right now I am starting to work on content for the new year and I want your input. So if you could, leave me that comment below. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, thumbs up this video if you have not yet already, and I will see you guys shortly, in a few days, something like that. We still have a lot of Christmas videos coming out, and we also have a whole series that's gonna be really fun, counting down to Christmas. So I will see you next time. Bye-bye.